So I came to Gadget Fix today because I completely smashed up my screen, and within under an hour they've given me a new phone screen and a screen protector, and everything's sorted now.
I came in and my phone was completely smashed, the back and front. It was bent in the middle and looks like a whole new phone. So happy.
I came to Gadget Fix Leeds, broken screen. They replaced it in an hour. Great timing, and I came here because they have the best review in Leeds. And
got my phone fixed, saved £130. Quality was good, service was quick, and yeah, brilliant.
I came into Gadget Fix. I walk past this road all the time because I'm at work. My work phone broke, so it was completely smashed and it had a mind of its own. It was clicking every single button you could think of. Obviously I need it for work, so I came in. It was done within the hour. I just couldn't pick it up until a bit later. It's absolutely perfect, and now I can actually do my job, so thank you.
Hey guys, Jean-Pierre here. I brought this iPad here and it was absolutely smashed. The whole screen was damaged, and today it's in good condition. I'm so surprised, and I want to thank you guys so much, and for that reason I'm giving these guys an absolute big massive 5-star. Come check them out, they'll solve your problems.
laptop had a charging pair problem, and I didn't really know what to do. I had uni, and I was like, where do I go? Saw this, saw it on Google, and I was like, I'll come here. Great repair, really speedy, 5 stars.
Don't risk it. Gadget Fix It. Get a quick quote today and fix your broken phone, laptop, or tablet. Gadget Fix It.
Action. Alright, I'll give Gadget Fix 5 stars. I brought in my laptop, the screen was cracked, I thought it was absolutely done out, but they've managed to give it back to me in 2 weeks, dead quick. Yeah, dead please, 5 stars.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, my PS4 was pretty banged up, like pretty bad, but they fixed it in a day, quicker than I expected it to. Recommend people coming down here if you're looking for a quick fix, straight up.
In Leeds, I needed my phone fixed urgently. This was before, this is after. I give Gadgets Fix a 5-star rating. Superb service, quick fix repair, best in Leeds city centre. Get your phone fixed here.
Was liquid damage, but unfortunately I found this store and I got it fixed so quickly. I'm very happy about it. Thank you very much, I appreciate it.
Fun service as always, thank you very much guys. 5 stars.
I've got my Xbox fixed, giving it 5 stars. Absolutely brilliant, quick, come down, and yeah, get your gadgets fixed.